Solar is now a major contributor to renewable energy globally. But fundamental to solar development is economics. At FTC Solar, our core mission is to bring forward the value to be a major player to drive down these costs. One example of how we approach constructability, it also factors into how fast you can build the system, but it's about ease and intuition. So that example is how the installers actually hang the modules. It is like, we use the metaphor, hanging a picture in your house. You have a couple installers, they just slide it on, it snaps into place, boom, it's installed. You add a couple clips with a simple rubber mallet, knock them into place. It's done right the first time. It's intuitive, no headaches. Your metrics will stay green, and all of this without compromising quality. In fact, it even ensures that you're enhancing quality, that you're doing quality in real time throughout the process.
With my 20 years experience in the renewable energy industry, I can see with FTC that we can build these faster with less manpower.
Working with the Pioneer system is easy because it requires less tools and less knowledge. It's a very simple setup, so there's less room for error during construction. It's extremely easy to train people on site. We always come and train our EPCs how to build the tracker, so we make sure they don't miss anything or any changes, but it never takes a whole day. It's usually done in a few hours, and there's not a lot of questions.
I've worked at different projects before. They're all different systems. Working with the Pioneer system is a lot easier. It's less nuts and bolts. The training was very simple and fast. When it comes to the delivery, the labeling and all the material is so much easier. It saves us a lot of time because we don't have to go back and fix any mistakes because we're not making any.
Working with FTC allows me as super to spend less time training. It's a super simple system to teach and to make sure it's being installed correctly.
We are not compromising anything in quality. As a matter of fact, because of our approach in constructability, we are enhancing quality over the long term.